Hi, to transfer files from any iPhone to Xiaomi 13, as a first step, we will need to open Play Store on our Xiaomi and App Store on our iPhone, and here find and download this Send Anywhere app. Mine are downloaded on both devices, so let's just open it on both devices as well. And now we'll have many permissions which we need to allow. So here allow full access, allow as well. Tap the OK button. Here agree with terms and conditions. Here as well, tap confirm, tap continue. Like this. Here allow everything you'll see on the screen. Tap OK, and first thing we got here is this Wi-Fi Direct, so you can send and receive files between nearby Android devices without an internet connection. But this does not suit us because we got Android and iOS device. So to transfer files from iPhone to Xiaomi, we would need to switch here from this Send tab to Receive. And here from Receive, switch to Send. And now we need to select any file or image. Here we can switch to this Files option. We can select photos, videos, and contacts. Let me select this file, for example. I'm going to choose it and then tap this button to send. And here you can see that the cellular data usage may result in additional charges. So let me just tap OK here. And now we need to wait a couple of seconds, and here we can see this code and QR code. So with the help of Xiaomi phone, we can either scan QR code if you just tap this icon, or you can enter this code manually. Let's scan the QR code, I guess it would be more interesting. So I'm just gonna here allow everything, and now we need to point the camera at the QR code. And it's immediately sending. So here you will see after we'll skip this advertising that we received this file, and on the iPhone you can see this information sent, which means that everything was performed correctly. So we just sent some files from iPhone to Android phone, which is Xiaomi 13. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.